Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So again we are looking at Echelon Prime's update. So I will be going over the latest update and see what's going on as of now. So last time I covered it, I think it was in 29th May, as you can see. So we were somewhere around here. So right after the update, my latest update, as you can see, the token did try to go up again, but unfortunately, as I said, that this was a pretty good demand zone and the price did actually touch here, as you can see here. So it came right here and it recovered and went up again, but unfortunately this zone did not hold, as you can see here. So it is going down again. So I think the prime as of now may have found some support somewhere around here, but we'll discuss that later in the last section of this video. So let's get started and see what is going on with prime as of now. So looking at Echelon Prime's latest update, the biggest one was this one. So basically Wayfinder ecosystem actually integrated caching for prime token, as you can see here. So this program is the result of a ratification of the Wayfinder governance initialization and white paper ratification votes, as you can see here. So players can actually cache their prime and earn, I think, claim CPK, which is command prompt key. And I think as of now, at the time of writing this, I think we have around 25% of the circulating prime supply is currently cached on the Wayfinder. So that would be, I think, 25% of 41. So that's pretty awesome. I think that is a lot of supply which has found its way towards a Wayfinder. So I think that could be good for the Echelon Prime. But what you have to understand here is that if you just look at the date, it's June 6th. So if you just go to the price, right after this announcement, Echelon Prime's price did went to hell, as you can see here. Right here we have seen a big decline in the price action, as you can see. So right after that announcement, prime is actually down 50%, which is a massive downfall, as you can see here. Anyways, beside that, we do have of course another biggest update was that their game Peril is now available on Epic Store to download. So I think that was one of the biggest update they had, which was on the June 13th, as you can see here. And if you do see here, the token did actually, I think there was a movement for the prime, as you can see here. I think the price most likely reacted here, but unfortunately Bitcoin was going down, so it ended up rejecting, and I think we are most likely going up again as of now here, but we'll discuss that later. So this was another big announcement coming in from them. So that means now prime will have more utility, because there will be, I think, as you can see here, they have expansion going on and they are exclusive for the prime token, so prime holders can actually buy those. So I think that is one of the biggest utility that it has. After that, if you just look here, even the Decrypt, which is one of the biggest, I think, media company in the crypto, did actually cover that Ethereum's NFT card Battler Parallel is now available on Epic Store. So I think that is a big coverage for the prime coin as well. So beside that, if we just look here, so this is where I left. So we have the first update is that prime boost for champions in the parallel season 4, as you can see. After that, we have looking prime parallel colony updates as well. So as you can see here, there was a Wayfinder governance, so I just discussed that. I won't be looking at that, but they had planet fall prime event rewards. So eligible planet falls parasite collectors can now claim their prime event rewards on base. So I think this must be one of the sale pressures that caused this dump. So as you can see here, it was on the June 5th. So after that, the coin did go down. So I think we had a lot of sellers coming in from this after they actually received their reward. So they could have been they could actually be taking their profit. So they did drop, the prime did drop a lot in price after that rewards as well. So after that, we have the Echelon Foundation is making adjustment at the request of the founders of a parallel studio to the founder prime token emission unlock schedule. So let's just see what is happening here. This adjustment is to signal and no uncertain uncertain terms alignment between the Parallel Studio team and the Prime community and the Wayfinder ecosystem. These changes are as follows. So we have Parallel Studio Treasury unlock schedule will be pushed by 1 year, so that's good. I think after that we have Parallel Founders unlock will be pushed by 1 year, so that's pretty good. But still we do have problem for the Parallel Studio investors, so I think they will be getting their tokens, so that may not be good. I will discuss that in next section, which will be, I think, problem with Prime coin. So after that again we have another utility for the Prime, so that's good. And again, as I said, the Parallel did actually launch on Epic Store, so that's pretty good. And I don't think we have anything beside that. Still, overall, the update for the Prime has been pretty good, but the price is going down. So let's just discuss the Prime tokenomics, and after that I will cover this section of the price section of the Prime coin. So I think the biggest problem with Prime coin as of now is their token unlock. So if you just look at its circulating supply, which is around 441 million, and it has a max supply of 111 million, as you can see, we only have around 36% of the supply unlocked, so we still have a lot of supply to go. And if you just look here, in 12 days we have Parallel Studios investors getting their tokens, so I think more sell pressure, and they will be actually getting their tokens monthly, as you can see here. And it will actually continue till 2028, and they do I think it will continue till 2025, and they do get around 18 million Prime coins, so that is a lot. So as of now they are getting 700k monthly, so that is a pretty good, I think, sell pressure for the Prime coin. And if you just look here, last unlocked actually happened on 31st May, as you can see here, and I think the investors did take a profit. So as you can see here, right after the unlocks, the coin did pump, and after that we have a pretty big decline in the price, and I think the BTC did go down, so that was the first factor. And after that I think the investors did sell a lot of coins, so I think these are the investors taking the profit. So I think overall the Prime coins price is way too high. So if you look at its supply, so I think the price will most likely correct itself, and the best price for the coin, I'll just discuss that at the end, but I think we are heading towards $7 or I think $6 point. So still the Parallel Studio founders and Parallel Studio Treasury did lock their tokens, but I think that is not enough to keep the Prime coin going down, because I think we have the monthly sell pressure coming in from the investors. So if you are a holder of Prime, you have to be aware about the investors, because I think they are one of the biggest sellers as of now, so be careful. So let's just move to the last section of this video, where I will try to analyze the Prime price prediction or price analysis and see what's happening with the Prime coin overall. So let's try to analyze the price section of the Prime. So I'm most of the time I'm wrong, but I still like to analyze, so feel free to comment below in this comment section below. So first of all, I think one of the reasons why the Prime went down was most likely because the investors selling their tokens and the overall market going down. So if you just look at the BTC, I think most likely that the BTC does have a same price action. Okay, so BTC did go down from June 6th, so I think that is the same case with the Prime coin. So I think one of the reasons why the Prime may be going down as of now is because it just lost its very strong support here around $13, which was a pretty strong support, and it just lost it. So I think it started to go down. It did try to recover. It did actually went up from here after hitting $12 to $11, but unfortunately again it was a downtrend, so it happens most of the time. So I think as of now we may have actually shaken out the sellers. So I think as of now we may have found a temporary bottom. So if let's just say that BTC does not go up, I think we may be actually recovering from here, and it looks like we do have a pretty good buyers waiting to buy here, as you can see here from the volume. So if somehow we don't reject from let's just say that if we don't reject from this downtrend, so if the coin does go up again and hopefully it breaks out from this downtrend, so if it does not reject here, I think we could be actually heading higher. But I think the line is too steep, so we may actually do some correction and most likely head toward $10 and go down again, but it is unclear as of now. Still, if we look at the token unlocks of the prime coin, if we just look here, I think the prime will most likely correct itself, and the end game for the prime, I think is to actually actually somewhere around $6 to $7 as of now. And if it does go even more down, I think we are actually heading towards this, and I think this could be a pretty good entry somewhere around 2.9 and 2.6 in the long run. But if I think as of now, if you're looking to enter into the prime coin, I think the best entry is still here. So I think $4 or 4.7 is the pretty best or pretty good entry for the prime coin, and same goes for 7.4 and 6.2. if not, I think if you would like to enter for the perfect entry, I think you can actually look somewhere around here. So if you can get to your entry around 6.7 and 6.2, that is a pretty awesome entry. But I think we may see a leg up from here, and if we do go up from here, I think the most likely resistance we have is around 12.3 and 11.6, and even if it breaks out from that resistance, I think we have resistance around 13.9 and 13.3. so overall, I think the prime coin itself is on the pretty good, I think, position as of now, and the entry could be pretty good. And if we do look at the base ecosystem, prime is still the biggest gaming coin on the base ecosystem, and it could actually go up again. But I think overall we have to actually look on the gaming coin itself, and if we look at the gaming coin market, it's not doing that well. As you can see, even Immutable lost around 30%, same with Gala, Beam, AXS. So I think overall gaming market is not doing that good in the crypto market. So I think once the gaming industry does actually takes up, I think the prime will be one of the biggest gainers, because the base still has a lot of hype. And even if you look at the Immutable, it has actually tanked a lot. As you can see here, 30% is a big amount, whereas Echelon Prime has tanked around 46%, so that is a lot still. But I think we'll have to wait for the gaming coins to take off, and along with that, I think Echelon Prime could actually become one of the biggest gainer, because the base still has a lot of hype. So this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more updates. Thanks for watching.